Hello, everybody. Here we have this challenge before us. Here it's a very simple one, but if you don't know what to do at the right time, you miss it out. Okay, the question is how to solve 8x plus 8x times 8x plus 8x minus 8x equal to 8x minus 8x plus 8x times 8x plus x. What is the value of x in this challenge? Very easy. Then we're going to suck to a simple system which will be taught in our elementary mathematics, call it the BODMAS. Let's quickly put it down. Here we have here BODMAS. Okay. Now, applying this BODMAS, the two signs we just have here is just your addition and multiplication. And if you look at this acronym BODMAS, here we have multiplication before addition. Now let's go back to our question here. Look at our question. We have addition here we have multiplication here. And on the right hand side, we also have a multiplication here. So let's first of all handle the multiplication aspect of this challenge. But before that, let's take our selection. So we take our selection. All right. So from our question, we handle this first, right? So let's bring down our 8. So we're going to have here 8x there plus 8x times 8x will give us 64 x to the power of 2. Then plus, let's keep this guy here. So we have here 8x minus 8x. Everything equal to. On the right hand side, we also have a multiplication side here. So let's keep this. So we have here 8x minus 8x here plus our 64 x to the power of 2 plus x. So beside our multiplication, we have our subtraction, although subtraction comes last in this acronym. So subtraction will definitely come last, right? Here we now have your addition and subtraction. So we go by the addition because here we have this first. So if we go by addition, let's add here now. So we're going to have here, we cannot add 64x to the power of 2 to any of this expression here. So let's keep that. So let's keep our 64 x to the power of 2. Then we have here positive 8x plus 8x. That will give us 16x. So we have here plus 16x on the left hand side. But here we still have minus 8. So we have here minus 8x here. Everything equal to. We come to this other side. Let's begin with our 64 x to the power of 2 again, right? Then from here, we are having positive 8x here. So we have 8x for this, then plus, there is no other 8x that we're going to add this to. So we're going to have here our 8x, yeah, so we have here plus 8x, then minus, okay, sorry, here we have plus here, so a plus x here. So we have here 8x plus x, that will give us 9x here. Okay, so we have our 9x, then we have this to be minus 8x. So what do we do at this point? We just have to collect like terms. The terms that are similar, move them to this side. The ones that are not similar, then we leave that on one side. Or let's move all terms to the left hand side. Better still, right? So this is going to give us here, this will now be equal to, we have our 64 s to the power of 2. We move this 64 to this side. Here it's having a plus sign, so it turns to minus 64 x to the power of 2. Then here we have plus our 16x, right? Minus our 8x. Then we move this to this side too to give us minus 9x minus plus our 8x, because this process turns to plus rather. So we have this expression here. Easy, right? From here we have a plug sign, invisible plugs, and here we have minus. So these two will leave the system. So we have 16x plus 8x will give us 24x, right? So we have here 24x, then minus 8x minus 9x. This will give us minus 17x. right? Good. So everything here equal to our 0. So 24x minus 17x, that will give us 7x. So we have here 7x equal to 0. We are looking for x, right? So we divide through by our 7, divide through by 7, cancel, cancel. So we have our x is equal to what? 0. So this is the final answer to this simple challenge here. So if you gain something from this video, then give the video a thumbs up. If you didn't even gain anything from this video, still give the video a thumbs up. This is Matt Flores. See you in our next video. Bye.